everybody, first time in the backyard. We're doing a bit of a cleanup today. I'm starting off by washing the deck. It is a complete mess out here. I haven't touched it since last fall and I have a lot of cleanup to do. So come along, let's get started. Deck is washed down. Now it's time to get to the garden beds. I have a ton of stuff back here, as you can see. That's the stuff from our winter sowing project that we did together. You can see actually quite a few things growing up. Since it's been so nice, I've been keeping the lid off these, but the poppies are starting to grow up. We have some globe thistles also coming up and a few delphiniums as well. But almost in every jug, there are quite a few plants. That's where we did the grass. You can see a few of the blades. Also have a lot of garlic popping up. I currently have this kind of cage over top, but that's just so my cat doesn't walk over top of them. Sometimes she likes to walk in the beds. But I want to get this stuff out of here. This was just stuff to protect some of my plants, but it's time to bring it back to the garage and clean up the area. A little bit later in the day, a little bit cooler, hence the switch of wardrobe. But I'm gonna get started on cleaning out these garden beds. Most of them are pretty well cleaned out, except my kale bed still has the old kales from last year. And a cool part is some of them are still growing. There we go. Put that out. But it was starting to push growth. So I'm gonna get to cleaning these beds up. I have one crop that survived from last year, and that is all of the leeks. I'll probably be taking them up and making some leek and potato soup probably this week, but really happy they survived because I was kind of bummed that I missed the chance to harvest them last year. Quickly wanted to talk about the strawberry tower. Now, there's 4 plants in the base here, or 8 plants at the top. Now, a lot of the plants at the top survived the winter. The base plants have not. Now, instead of putting more plants in here, I think I'm just gonna say goodbye to the strawberries. This year, I'm wanting a little bit more room on my deck, and I'm wanting it to look a little cleaner. Sadly, milk crates do not make the cut, so I will be putting them inside of my garage, taking the dirt out of them, and I'll probably plant the strawberries here and there throughout the beds. But everything's falling into place. I'll be sowing my cold crops in 1 or 2 days. I'm just so happy that everything's ready and it's finally time to start gardening. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay gardening.